What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are going to look at this scalp. There's a few people in the group that was sort of, I guess, worried or concerned that I wasn't taking any trades today. I really just wait for a good setup, like we have on the hour chart here. This is NQ. I was expecting price to come down to this zone, but this is reversal zone here, 1 hour. But price may actually give us a good setup at this 1 hour level. This isn't a reversal zone. This is actually where I would expect price to get down to. But the 5 minute is actually showing me some signs that it may want to push up, get some rejection. We got a couple of hammers, a little doji. So yeah, I may look for a entry going long, I want to say, and maybe just scalping it. So I may just put on my scalping hat for this and do that. I'm not going to call it out in the group. I'll put it in the chat because it is some scalp trades. It is a little bit more risk involved, but I do like what I'm seeing. I'll put an order in here. If it taps us in and then comes back down, we got some good rejection here and some great candles. I'm gonna go 2 contracts here and actually 3 contracts here. If it comes down, I will scale another contract in down here, and my stop loss, I have a mental stop loss down here. So if you don't know scalping, most scalpers use mental stop losses. That's where you don't have pretty much anything on the charts. So I'm just putting this in our Discord in the chat that I will be entering in at this level, but I want them to enter in higher when it breaks these levels here. That would be a good area, and then we could target well, first, if we get a good push up above this 866 level, we could target here. Would be, I put 1 stop in there. There's a second stop there, but I'm gonna put the remaining 2 there. Should get some good profits. This is a 5 minute chart, so what's that? 500, and this would be 1,000. So that would be $2,500 off of 3 contracts because this is a 5 minute chart. So let me just if it gets past this wick down here, I'm going to expect that price wants to get lower, but I'm not going to take an entry until it passes these wicks up here. So this is a scalp trade. I haven't done this in a while. I usually wait for my A+ setups, but I wanted to give the people in the group in the inner circle, if you don't know, there'll be a link down in the description. And so we're just going to sit back and wait. I'm going to chat with them and let them know that I'm about to get into this scalp trade if anybody wants to take it. And yeah, we'll just go from there. All right, we are tapped in, so it's time to let this thing go. So I'm trying to do 2 things at once. I'm talking to them because this is a scalp, so I want to give them some play-by-play things going on. So first thing is to get a good close above this area right here, which is 866. If we get a good close above this, this will mean that we would be out of this 1 hour zone. And what I don't want to see is this complete as a doji, which there's 24 minutes left. But this is power hour. Power hour is the last pretty much volatile time of the day, at least for NQ it is. So if we get a good close above this, then I'll be more confident to at least get to this little range right here on this 5 minute. If we get a close above this or just a strong push above this area right here, then I expect this to be reached. At that point, I moved to break even. At least we would have secured some good profits. I just want to scale out of one position, about $500 right there. Just scale out of one position right there, and then just let the rest try to ride up. Price does like to get back to the 50, so we will check on that, and yeah, just go from there. So price is actually still showing some good signs, even though we did get a close there. Sort of an inverse hammer, but it is still bullish. I don't see anything that wants to make me get out of the trade so far. So yeah, this one is looking spicy. Anyway, just gonna let this play out. I'm gonna stop talking. But real quick, I did give the group a couple of levels here for TPs that they can consider. One was here, 871. Once we get there, we should be golden. The other, of course, was here, and that's the third one. So those are the TP levels that I gave in the group. So if we get above this first one, then I think I will tell them to move to break even. So that way, if they have a stop loss. But anyway, let's just let it play out.
Order filled. Order canceled. All
right, TP 1, 2, and 3 was hit. Send that out to the group. Hopefully, some people caught this trade. I don't really do this often, not really scalping anymore. But there are some good ways that you can do it. So, main thing I was looking for was just some momentum slowness in the bears. And once it got to this zone, and I saw like this doji and this hammer, this doji right here, kind of figured that price was slowing down. At least we could get some good buy side volume coming in, some buyers coming into the market. This thing is actually pumping right now. This is I should have stayed in. But power hour is usually like this. You can make some good money during power hour, especially if you have some good areas on your charts as far as zones and key levels. That's really important with everything going into trading. But anyway, I've been talking enough. This video is long enough. We made some money. And if you want to trade with us, then click the link in the bio. Yeah, it's going to be down there. Make sure you journal. I'm gonna link a journal down there as well. If you need some one-on-one, I'm gonna leave my website where you could book one-on-one. We can talk about whatever you want to talk about. Anyways, been a good day, good trade. Quick 2,500 in about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, something like that. What's it, 5, 10, 15, 20? Yeah, about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. See you in the next video.